Imagine being in a remote Siberian forest in 1908 when the sky suddenly lights up brighter than the sun. The Tunguska event, a colossal explosion, flattened over 770 square miles of trees. The blast's power, 1,000 times stronger than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, yet no crater or remnants of a meteorite were found. Theories abound, from black holes to alien spacecraft. Despite numerous expeditions, it remains an unsolved mystery. The Tunguska event continues to captivate, a testament to history's enduring puzzles.